I bet you clicked on this video knowing that you couldn't touch your toes and you want to know how to do it well and do it in a pain-free way. A lot of you out there are forcing your way to try to touch your toes, inching little bit by little, holding it for 30 seconds, just trying to breathe in, breathe out, stretch, pull on cords, pull on tables. I don't know, just trying to get better. But all that can hurt you. I know there's a better way. So we're gonna talk about the exercise butts up. And yes, that's the name. That's the name we decided to coin it, butts up. We're gonna talk about that next. Stay tuned. Before we get into the butts up exercise to improve your forward folding and your ragdoll pose, a lot of people, this is what's just going out there. I'm just gonna show it, but we're just really reaching forward and trying to inch and bob. You know, some people just hold it, and then they're really trying to make that improve, but this is as far as I'm gonna go right now if I'm gonna safely do it. So I'm gonna show you what happens after our butts up exercise. So we're gonna get right to it. The number one thing that a lot of people I want you to avoid is not to leave your head up while performing this exercise, because you could cramp all the muscles in your upper back, and there's little muscles like your scalenes and all that stuff that can get all messed up. So we're gonna grab your ankles and leave them there. And what we're looking for is we're gonna start raising our butt up into the air, hence the name, butts up, and feel that tension. What I believe the tension is could be your hamstring. It could also be your sciatic nerve. So you're actually doing what I would like to think is a little bit of a spinal nerve floss or a nerve floss down your sciatic nerve, just a different way of looking at it. So you're gonna, like I'm doing right now, I'm keeping it repetitive, and the goal is to work myself gently. Notice the words gently. I want to work it till it starts straightening up, and you're noticing within a couple minutes it's lengthening. Things might pop, that's normal. So just kind of keep working with it. And you can see that the goal here is, if I try to straighten out right now, very painful. But I'm just working myself in, out, pressure on, pressure off, pressure on, pressure off. And until it becomes straight, that's where, now it's a little bit easier to get here. And of course, you're not trying to lock out your knees or anything like that, but we're just gonna work there. Now, when you're done with this, I want you to see this. I sit right back down, my head still stays down, and I slowly wanna walk myself up. So let's recheck. Let's see if we made some changes. So I'm gonna reach forward and, oh, there we go. That's that ground. And I didn't do it with that much effort. I didn't have to force myself. And that's gonna be the cool part about this butts up exercise. So hopefully you tried this butts up, 7-up exercise, and you're feeling the lengthened hamstrings in your hips, in the posterior chain. Make sure you check with your healthcare professional. This exercise can be counterproductive for some people with certain back issues. So just make sure you've had that consult and you try and you know that it's good for you. But we love it here, and it's just a much easier way. It's less painful. It's just easy to fall into this more straightened posture, and then you can just fall down like that rag doll in yoga, and that's what they want, you know, that's just nice, free, and easy. So we would love your support. Please subscribe. Thank you for your continued support if you already have subscribed to our channel. We'd love these guys if you found this exercise helpful. And if you have any comments, please leave those below, or any questions. We love trying to engage with our community. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.